I'm Kiky and welcome back to Kiky Cooks. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook one of the well-known dishes in Indonesia, and that is Rendang Sapi or Beef Rendang. But as usual, before I show you how to cook, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need for this recipe. So everyone in here already prepared all the ingredients for this recipe except one, and that is turmeric leaf. But because I don't have turmeric leaf, so this time I will just exclude turmeric leaf for this recipe. Anyway, for this recipe, we're gonna need some beef, some water, some coconut milk, some ground nutmeg, some sugar, salt, powdered beef broth, cabbage leaves, bay leaf, clove, candle nuts, galangal, tumeric, ginger, palm sugar, some shallots, some garlic, some bird's eye chili, red chili, and also lemongrass. So that's all the ingredients that we need for this recipe, and now let's get on cooking. As usual, using the chopper, we're gonna blend most of the ingredients and turn it into paste. But because my chopper is quite small, so I'm gonna blend the chili first. And now we're gonna add the garlic, also the shallots. And now we're gonna add in the clove, candle nuts, galangal, turmeric, also ginger. And then we're gonna blend it again until it turns into paste. Using the wok, we're gonna cook all the ingredients together. Pour in your mixture, also the coconut milk, bay leaves, cabbage lime leaves, also lemongrass. And now we're gonna stir it. Once it mixes evenly, we're gonna add in our palm sugar, also ground nutmeg. Stir it again and we're gonna cook it until it's thickened. As the mixture has thickened, we're gonna now add the beef. Now we're gonna stir it evenly and then bring it to boil. Anyway, it's been 2 hours since I simmered the beef in the coconut milk. So as you can see, the mixture between coconut milk and the ingredients has been thickened. So now we're gonna add the dry ingredients like sugar, powdered beef broth, and also salt. We're gonna add the dry ingredients bit by bit because the cooking process is not yet finished. So now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, white sugar, powdered beef broth. So for the dry ingredients, you can add it as your liking. It's up to you because everybody has different tastes. So I will just add in the dry ingredients and taste it at the same time. And if I think the taste is already perfect for my taste, I will just stop adding dry ingredients. And at this point of cooking, we call this food as a beef kalio. So if you want to make beef kalio, you can stop all the cooking process from here. However, because we want to make rendang, so we're gonna continue our cooking until the beef and coconut milk dried up and turn into dark brown. By the way, we're gonna need to stir it every now and then because you don't want the beef to get burned and it will be taste awful. Anyway, I will continue the cooking process, and once it's done, I will show you the end result. Finally, after hours of cooking, here is the final look of Rendang Sapi or Beef Rendang. Beef Rendang is one of the most well-known dishes in Indonesia. Not only you can find it in Indonesia, you also can find it in neighboring countries such as Singapore or Malaysia. I will list all the ingredients and how to cook it on the description box. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please subscribe for more Indonesian recipe, and I will see you on my next episode. Bye bye!